Hello and thank you for watching. In today's video, we are going to discuss the difference between putting someone on hold and putting someone in a parked shared line. If your phone has a line 1 or line 2 option, then you have the ability of parking that call to a shared line. And what that means is other people that have those line 1 or line 2 buttons on their phone, they have the ability to pick up a call that you may put on hold within that shared line. If you put someone on hold on your phone, then that call stays within your device and your device only. It cannot be picked up by someone else on another phone. So if I am in a call, I'm going to dial this phone. You can hear.
Thank you for calling. Press 1 if you're interested in leasing.
So that is just a greeting. And I'm going to put line 1. And now you can see that line 1 is currently being used. If I press line 1, it will bring that call back to me. And at that point in time, I can end the call or whatever I wish to do. So you can see how that BLF, busy lamp field, was illuminated for that line 1. If I hit line 1, there is no call active. So I can't like pick up line 1 and place a call. If you want to place an outbound call, you literally just dial the number. So in this case, I'm going to dial the call again, and then I'm going to use the, you can hear
Thank you for calling.
Up. Then you can press the pause button here, which will put that call on hold. You can see it's not a shared line that can be transferred or picked up from somebody else. It stays on this phone. You can then hit resume, and then at that point in time, you can hear that call again. If you have questions, if you need assistance in setting up a shared line that you can share between departments or main switchboards, feel free to give us a call. You can dial 0 anytime on your phone or send us an email at helpdesk@indianatelephonenetwork.com. We are happy to assist you any way we can. Thank you very much.